Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to center text across multiple cells in Google Sheets. Apply is step 1 and apply is step 2. Okay. See this text. Type to the cells. Partial select cells and mark cells. Align, middle, center. And step 2, select the cells. Show this icon, double click, then automatically fit cells. Align, center. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.